It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock can maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss. No bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, I'm not going to put this in the title or the thumbnail as far as what's inside this big box next to me, because I want to be surprised. I know what it is, but I'm just hoping it's everything that I dreamed of. And I also want you guys to be surprised with me, because it's not something that's one of the new releases that are coming out. So you want to watch this video. If you clicked, please stay tuned in, because it's not going to be the new Yeezys that just came out, an off-white Jordan that just came out, any of the new stuff. This is going to be one of my old gold installments, one of my old gold videos. So I reached back into the past and I pulled something up into the present. It's completely dead stock. That's a Grail, if you will. So this will be a Grail unboxing, and I'm super excited. And if you've been here for a while, you know that I do not pay resale resale prices for sneakers. So I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't pay resale prices for sneakers, and I was able to cop a Grail. So if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. At 3,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway here on the channel. It'll probably be me and Josiah. We're going to come up with some, cool way to celebrate hitting the 3,000 subscriber mark, and we're going to do a giveaway here on the channel. So tell a friend to come over here and join the movement as well. The quicker we get to 3,000 subscribers, the quicker we can do this giveaway. Now that we done got all that out of the way, I'm just as excited. I don't know if you guys skipped ahead or whatever, but I'm just as excited about getting to this box as you guys are about seeing what's in the box. So without any further ado, let's crack into this Home Depot box. All right. Little story. This is taped up. Kind of a little story time about how I came. Gee whiz, you got duct tape and packing tape on here. Jesus Christ. I came into purchasing this sneaker. Somebody that I'm newly subscribed to, probably about a month or two into my subscription to their channel. Very dope content. I'll put the link to her channel in the description box down below. I noticed that she was doing a giveaway on her channel, and she said that her, getting to the 1,000 subscriber mark wasn't going as fast as she would have wanted it to. So we worked it out where I would exchange the cash for the sneaker giveaway that she was going to be doing, and she could just give the cash away. That would probably help, because everybody's not a size 11. Everybody might not want a specific shoe, but for me it was a Grail, and it's my personal size. So we worked it out to be able to bring this to the channel. So she packed it in this big huge box. She said that it was the only one that she could find. So this is still completely dead stock with the original receipt and bag, apparently. I can kind of see through the bag. Man, I'm so excited. I'm so geeked about this. And as soon as you guys see the box, you'll know exactly what it is. I'm dragging this out a little bit to try to build a little bit of anticipation, because I know what it is, but you guys do not until bam. Look at that. I'm just gonna hold that there for a second. Hopefully that focuses in, and I'm using a ring light, so it might wash a little bit of this out. But y'all see what it is, man. Space Jam box. You got your Bugs Bunny Looney Tune logo on the back. Wow. So let's go over the size label a little bit. Still has the original Foot Locker sticker on it. Size 11, Jordan 11 Retro. Suggested retail price is $220. Black Concord white. Black Concord and white, excuse me. Let's go ahead and slide this out of this. Like I said, you got your 2-3 with your 4-5 in the back. Set that to the side. You got your all matte black box with your 4-5 on the side, glossed in. Hopefully that's picking up. Now this is a sneaker that I've never owned, but I've always wanted. And you got your all Galaxy inside the top of the box. Galaxy pattern. You got your 11 in this protective plastic. You probably just see the ring light, but oh well. Take that Concord blue, purple, whatever. Protective top off. You got your 4-5 paper. Damn near still uninterrupted. It doesn't matter. You get what I'm saying. Alright, that's enough. I don't know how long I'm into this video. Y'all still ain't seen the sneaker yet. But I'm super... Still got your original Foot Locker receipt on deck. Woo! Baby! You got your all Galaxy on the bottom of that one as well with the Concord Jumpman shining down there at the bottom. And here you have it, man. Jordan 11 Space Jam. Incredible. Most people are dreaming about getting a pair of these for retail. Good luck finding that. Finding an authentic pair for retail price. You got your Concord, a Jumpman on the back. 4-5 stitched in the yams. Got your icy bottoms down there, man. Third spacing, your Jumpman Jordan across the tongue. You got the high cut patent leather. Look at that. Look at that shining. Now, I'm done. I'm good. I'm super good. I got my Bread 11s from this past release. Got my Concords, which I wore yesterday. All high cut patent leather. Now the problem with these is this 4-5 is pressed into the back, not stitched. Look at that. Look how deep that is cut and stitched into the back of that sneaker. That's what people have been calling for. That's what a lot of people have been calling for. They want this the numbers at least 2, 3, or 4-5 stitched into the back of that thing. Look at this. Now there's not much to go over. You got your high cut patent leather. You got your peaks all around near the near the midfoot. You got one right here at the bottom of the tongue. Carbon fiber. There's not a bunch to go over. Y'all know what this looks like. This is an older release, but for those of you that may just be searching YouTube, this is what the is this, the 2006. Still got the original ankle shoe tree thing in there. Ooh, this is laced down so tight I can't even. What release is this? 2016? I can't even get the damn thing out. This is laced down so tight. I'll cut and then I'll fast forward. And yeah. All right, so you got your Concord shoe trees in there. Still got the original wrapping. Now these are the 2016 release. And let me see the production dates on here. It's from June 8th, 2016 to July 11th, 2016. So it was only about a month worth of production they did on this sneaker. But I got it here in 2020, baby. You guys don't know how excited I am to have this. I'm not going to drag this out much longer. I wonder if I should do a little on foot. I ain't going outside. No, I'm not putting these on yet. I'm just going to sit on these until the summer, and then I'm going to break these hoes out. Man, these are crazy. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all still got y'all's pair on ice, if you still got them in good condition, or if you have them at all. But shout out to my girl V, man. I told you it was going to be a blessing, man. And even if you would have said no, I would have understood. But the fact that you said yeah, and we figured something out, and we made it work for it to make sense for both of us, I really, really appreciate you, man. And that's what I continue to tell y'all, man. Build relationships on the platform. Some of the closest people, some of the people I'm closest to, man, are people that I've met through YouTube. And, you know, I bless people. I help people out all the time. And I've gotten that same sneaker karma back in return, being blessed with different situations, man. So, B, if you ever need anything, just reach out. If I can, I will. I got you. Because you really, really took care of me with this. But anyway, that's enough about all that. I appreciate y'all watching, man. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. We're doing a giveaway at 3,000. But we done. We out of here. OV!